Haley, great job on your presentation. Something I really know that stuck out in your presentation, I always like how crisp and clear your voice came through and how well you enunciated. It made it easier for me to follow your video and listen to you as your presentation went through. So good job on that module. Um, Great job on talking about cultural responsive assessments also. I really liked how you talked about the importance of knowing your students and adjusting to their needs. I also totally agree with you that performance scoring on assessments are a major stressor. Something I do not like with state testing is that you're judging how a student has gained through the years from fourth grade to when they take their fifth grade test. You're judging all that on 4 or 3 days of testing. I think that does add a lot of stress to students, and that puts up some big red flags and could be some major identification there that maybe they had a bad morning. Okay, so we're putting so much pressure on one day of testing. I think that's why a lot of us have gone away from the importance of state testing scores. But I think there's a better and a more effective ways of assessment out there. I think doing this Oreo cookie review through a video is very educational for us as a future administrators, because this could be very applicable and put into when principals do evaluations. We could give immediate feedback to teachers. So this is something I would be interested in using when I become a future administrator. Great job on your presentation. Finish up this class strong, as we are down to a few modules left, and keep up the good work. I can't wait to continue to learn from you.